Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you will be fine. In this class, we will learn about the basic concept related to Arabic language. If you want to learn Arabic language, so it is necessary for each and every person to learn basic two things. What are those two things? And those two things are related to Arabic linguistics. First of all, it is necessary for us to learn about linguistics, the word linguistics. Linguistic means the scientific study of language. Okay, so what do you mean by scientific study of language? Scientific study means the study which is based on observation. Okay, dear students, so there are two branches of Arabic linguistics. Number one, morphology. If you want to learn how to speak Arabic language, how to read Arabic language, how to write Arabic language, how to understand Arabic language, how to comprehend Arabic language, so then you will have to learn about morphology. Morphology of what? Morphology of Arabic. So what is meant by morphology? Morphology is a word formation. How to make words. Okay, obviously the very first step which is necessary to be understood is that how to make words, because you have to speak words, you have to learn words, you have to make words. So when you are able to make words, so then the other thing is to arrangement of words. Okay, but in this branch of linguistics, in this knowledge of Arabic grammar, in morphology we just talk about word formation. For example, if I say fa'ala, fa'ala means he did. Fa'ala means, dear student, he did. Okay, so if you want to say she did, so how will you say she did in Arabic language? So you will change this word into fa'alat. So you could say there is an addition of suffix. Okay, fa'alat. So fa'alat means she did. So dear students, there are proper rules to change one word into another word. Okay, obviously the root word is fa'alun, which means to do something. Okay, fa'alun means to do something, doing something. Okay, and fa'ala means he did, fa'alat she did. So how can we able to learn about the rules which tell us fa'ala means he did and fa'alat means she did? So all this will be learned with the help of morphology. Okay, when you will have memorized all the rules mentioned in the books of morphology, then you will be able to make the words of Arabic language. Okay, dear students, so suppose if you have learnt about making words in Arabic language, so what would be the next step? The next step would be the arrangement of words. So arrangement of words is called syntax. Okay, dear students, syntax means arrangement of words. It is syntax. Arrangement of words. Obviously, it is necessary to arrange each and every word in order to convey the complete sense to the other people. Okay, dear student. So like, for example, if you want to say I am a scholar, so in Arabic language you will say ana alimun. Okay, you cannot say alimun ana, it would be wrong. The sequence is ana alimun. ठीक है? Like you cannot say in English language am scholar I. It would be wrong. It means in each and every language we keep in mind the specific and particular arrangement of words. So obviously when we arrange the words, then we make a complete sentence. Okay, so there are many more rules of arranging the words even in each and every language. Okay, so the same is the case with the Arabic language. In Arabic language as well, we are expected to arrange the words in order to convey the complete sense to the other people. Okay, dear students, so we will say ana alimun, I am scholar. We will not say alimun ana. So how will you be able to understand this arrangement? This arrangement would be learnt through the reading of syntax. Okay, so dear students, these are two things which are considered to be an indispensable part of Arabic linguistics. So inshallah, with the grace of Allah, with the help of Allah, with the blessings of Allah, we will learn the other things related to morphology as well as related to syntax in the next lecture. Okay, dear students, Allah Hafiz, Jazakallah, Assalamu alaikum.